Ke o ili nei kekahi mea inu holoa ma Hawaiʻi ʻAwa kapa ia ma ka inoa o RZO. Eia naʻe, o ka umau paʻa ka lele nui ia mai ia mea inu nei, o ia hoʻi ko kākou mea inu koʻikoʻi o ka ʻawa. A ke hoʻohuahua ia nei kona poʻe pili I nā lā hui inu ʻawa.
Every time you get something taken out of a original cultural context, it transforms those meanings in ways that sometimes are very unanticipated.
O iai ua ike mua o Dustin I ke koʻikoʻi o ka ʻawa I nā lā hui a puni ka paki pika, ke lana nei kona manaʻo e mālama I ke lā ho ihi like ma o kekahi ʻano hou o kēia ao.
I took kava, which is something that people really see as sacred and an integral part of their history and their culture. And I'm modernizing it in a way that's palatable to my generation and worldwide.
Ua hoʻolauna ia kēia mea inu hou o RZO mana hale kuʻai mea ai awala a puni o ahu I ke lā iulai I halaku nei. Ano kona ano hou loa, hana nui ka hopohopo ole o kekahi mau kānaka inu ʻawa no kona hoʻohana kūpono ia.
At this point, I'm neutral. I see the potential for problems. I also see the potential for benefits. It could possibly transform ideas around what ʻawa is in a harmful way, or it could perhaps raise awareness in a positive way.
O iai ua paʻa ko dase manaʻo no ko RZO holomua kūpono ʻana, ua kupu mai nā ninu ne ma waho aku o kona ʻaoʻao I ke kuʻuna, e pili hoʻi ana me kona mālama ʻia ana ma loko o kekahi kini.
The bowl itself, right, is this receptacle in the traditional context, not only of the ʻawa, but also the essence, right, of the akua that are in there, of the water. It's that circle that brings together a circle of people culturally, and in a way that I think is not replicated when people are just, kind of walking around with cans.
Eia naʻe, ma waho aku o kona ʻaoʻao I ke kuʻuna, ke hoʻohuahua pū ia nei ke ʻano e hoʻohana palekana ia I ka ʻawa ma ia mea inu nei o RZO.
The whole thing about mixing, I think, is a problem too. When people start seeing this as something that you'll mix with alcohol.
Mana o lana o Dustin, he ala wale o RZO e launa like ai ka lehulehu, a peia pū kona makemake hoʻihoʻi aku I ia lehulehu inu RZO kekahi.
I would hope that would involve more direct sorts of giving back to the community of people who are trying to maintain ʻawa as an important cultural and social practice of Oceania and of Hawaiʻi.
No ka ike pili hou aku e kele aku ia Oiwi TV, a I nā he mau mana o ko e kaana like mai, o wau no kia o Iwalani kuali I ka hoʻohanohano no Oiwi TV. Aloha.